status.
After the call, would you like to take a quick survey about your experience calling Amtrak today?
No.
Okay, train status. Let's get started. Do you already know the train number?
Yes.
What's the train number?
59.
Got it. And you want to know the train status for what station?
Jackson, Mississippi.
And that's scheduled for today, right?
Yes.
Got it. I'll look up information for train 59 for June 28th. Hold on. Would you like arrival or departure information?
Arrival.
Train 59 arrived on time into Jackson, Mississippi at 11:12 a.m. To hear that again, say repeat that. Otherwise, say start over. Or if you're done, say goodbye.
Goodbye.
We missed it.
For calling Amtrak, try.